Jet Reports gives you the flexibility to work in Excel Desktop or Excel Online for your reporting needs. Let's take a look at Jet Reports in Excel Online, perfect for when you need to run, access, or share reports on the fly. We see a sample Jet report using NF, NL, NP, and GL Jet functions that is ready to be run. Within the Jet Online ribbon, you have the following components: User Profile, Design, which opens design mode to build reports, Run, which executes your reports using live Business Central Cloud data, Drill Down to open the records behind the values, Report Status to see report status and runtimes, Report Options to open prompts and filters within the report, Access Report Center, which navigates you directly to the Report Center interface, Upload to Report Center, which allows you to save the reports you create back to Report Center, Function Wizard, which opens a panel to help you build or edit Jet formulas. When opening a function from Function Wizard, you see all the fields are populated according to the formula selected in the workbook, and you can quickly and easily change anything you need. Settings, which shows the data source connection that is established via Report Center. And finally, Help, which links to Jet's support documentation page. To execute a report, simply click the Run button within the Jet Online ribbon. When it's complete, you can either open in your browser via Excel Online or download and save your report. After clicking Open in Browser, the executed report will open in Excel Online, populated with live data from your connected Business Central Cloud environment. You can also open reports directly from Report Center by clicking Access Report Center. Once logged into Report Center, simply navigate to Reports in the left-hand navigation pane, which will show your saved reports. You have the option to open any report saved in Report Center directly in Excel Online. Once opened in Excel Online, you can utilize the Jet Online ribbon to drill down on your data. Just click the cell you want to drill into, click Drill Down, and this will open a new tab taking you directly to your Business Central instance showing the underlying data behind that cell. And with that, you've just seen how Jet Reports seamlessly integrates with Excel Online to deliver the reporting flexibility businesses need. Whether you're running reports on the go, drilling into live Business Central data, or collaborating through Report Center, with Jet Reports, your teams get powerful, accessible reporting that works wherever Excel does.